All right. So basically, what we're doing today is I'm just allowing you guys to hang out while I test out. I'm a beta tester for YouTube. I test out YouTube's new video game creating AI. Um, just like most AI, it's a little frustrating at first, but I don't know, it's got potential. So this is the second game I'm actually making with this. It's kind of like Lunar Lander meets Flappy Bird, but you're a cat. So basically, you recharge when you're on the ground. You need to collect these milk cartons, but you have to be careful not to hit any of these obstacles or you'll die. Um, and there's also a leaderboard I just added just now. Um, it's pretty simple, but it's a mobile game, so it keeps track of how many milk you pick up as well as how far you make it. You can land on top of the obstacles, but you can't touch the sides, of course. You also have a limited amount of fuel. You just can't fly through the whole entire level. You have to land to refresh your fuel. This entire game, including the graphics, were all created basically with code. I mean, with AI, I should say, with prompts. Alright, so you get the basic idea of it. So now what I want to do is, even the UI, everything was all created with prompts. It's kind of crazy. Anyways, what I need to do is I need to add, what was I thinking? Oh, I need to make my cat look cuter. Let's see if that works. Trying to give the character expressions. Sometimes my prompts don't do what I want, so I've been using Gemini basically to help me with these prompts to come up with something a little bit better. If this doesn't work out, I'm going to ask Gemini to give me a prompt that the AI will understand. It's kind of funny, I'm asking an AI how to talk to AI. Takes about 2 to 5 minutes for it to load, depending on how much you're adding. When you're first creating the game, it'll take about 5 minutes. Um, Even the little animations and the sound effects, it all created on its own based on a prompt. This is the second game I made. This is the first one I made here. I'll show you that one in a little bit. Actually, I did a video about it before, but I'll show you again. I've added some new features to it. Once I get the mechanics down, then I'll spend more time on the look of the game, but so far it's not too bad. I also need to make sure that it's adjustable for different size screens, for mobile or for playing on the computer. And I'll do that shortly. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Playables, but you'll be able to play this game in Playables once I get everything done and verified. and this is right now. Playable Builder is in beta stage, but once I get all the bugs worked out, once we get done testing it, then you guys will be able to access this and make games yourself. For those who are traditional coders, well, it's talking right now. You can actually go in and work on the code as well. You can go and work on the code, see the files, manipulate the images and stuff like that. So it's not. It can either be 100% AI, or you can kind of have a hybrid between the two. Let the AI, get the foundation started, and then you can go in and do something from there. Hello, people. All right, this is taking a second because I wanted to develop. I want to make the cat cuter, so I told it to give me some faces. To give some expressions on this damn cat. So it must be taking a little bit longer because it's spending that time creating those graphics from code, which is kind of cool. Let's put a poll up here. Let's start a poll. Do you think that AI game design will take It's done. Alright, so let's see if we have little faces now. Oh, he does. He's got little chibi faces. How cute. He blinks too. See, the AI even added features I didn't even think of. That's cool. Our little guy has faces. I don't know if you can see it or not because it's so tiny. Oh, crap. Oh, and then when you die, there's a leaderboard. So I added a leaderboard here so you can put in your initials, just like the old video games, and then it'll save it on a leaderboard so that everybody in the world can see who's the best at this game. Let's try again. Any of you have ever played Flappy Bird? This is kind of a twist on Flappy Bird. Oops, missed that one. And I know the graphics are not great yet. I'm still working on those. These platforms look a bit better. Alright, so the gameplay is working great. And if I die, you can put in your initials, and then it's gonna save you on the leaderboard so everybody can pay attention to it. So it created all this by itself, which is great. It has mobile support as well. I'll show that in a little bit. And then here you can actually go in and manage the files. So you can manage the actual scripts, and you can script them yourself if you want. Or you can add images to swap them out with the images already created, by the game itself. You can even create an image here. This still needs a little bit of work, I think, but let's see if we can get it to work. I am making a game. I need colorful, cartoony, floating platforms to jump on. I need a colorful button to jump on. Make me a sprite that can be used for the platform and be deformed without without distorting the platform image. I don't know if that one's good, but we'll find out. You can always make another one if it doesn't work out, you know? Now, I have coded games from scratch, and I did test out AI about a year ago, and it was good and bad. I mean, you know, for one, constantly forget. I mean, it's colorful. You can't you can't complain about that. All right, let's go ahead and save that one. So this is how you change out one. So right now it's saved this little colorful platform. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the game until it gets to one of those platforms. This is how you switch images out. Okay, there's a platform there. So I'm going to pause this. Crap. Let me pause it so it's... Oh, I died. I gotta get to one of those platforms. Oh, sure, there's not going to be any platforms now because I'm looking for one. There's one. Pause. Okay, so the platform is here. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and click this button that says replace game asset. So I gotta go ahead and... Oh, crap. I can't see it. Replace game asset. Got it. Click. I don't know if I clicked it. Let's try again. Alright, so that's frustrating. Oops, I died before I got there. But let me see if I can click that one. Let me try that. Let's try again. There we go. Replace game asset square. I'm not entirely sure if that's going to work, but let's find out. So in theory, by touching that game asset, I'm telling it which asset I want to change with the one that we just made with AI. Because that one technically is not a GIF of or you know any type of image or sprite. It's created by the actual computer system. I mean, it's created by code. I'm not entirely sure it'll work, but we'll find out. The other thing that's kind of nice is if you need to go back, like say you made a mistake or something broke, you can either try to move forward if you want and fix it, or you can just hit this little back button and go ahead and go right back to your previous state. And it's like instant. You don't have to reload anything or anything like that. Also, if you forgot which prompts you posted or you want to redo a prompt, so you go back, you click this one, it'll give you a list of every prompt that you've ever made so that you can, you know, adjust it to make it work better. Just waiting for it to... So, all right, let's see if that worked. See if we have little colorful platforms now. Nope, did not switch out. Oh, what the heck is this over here? Oh, it's... I see what it did. It switched out the button. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back. So this is the thrust button is back. This is for mobile, of course. Let's try this again. Let's do it here. Let me copy this. So I'll have to retype the whole thing. Replace the floating platform visuals with the let's see if that make it simple. Nobody's taking the poll? What the hell? Loading, loading, loading. Do a different poll. What do you think about AI game? There you go. Still loading. Oh, was there a reply here? Let's see. Oh, maybe it's just counting my chat rate. All right then, that works. Still loading. Kind of reminds me of Unity on my old computer. Every time I would try to compile something, it would take forever. Just checking the stock market, see if I'm broke yet. All right, here we go. Let's see if we have colorful bricks. We got little milk. Oh, we got colorful bricks. It worked. All right. Oh, crap. Well, it worked, but now what we want to do is we want to make them look a little bit cooler than that. So let's go ahead and let's pause this. Let's go here and let's do create a floating space platform for my game. See if I can get the AI to create kind of like a rocket boosts underneath it, like animated rocket boosts underneath it after I create this. Let's see. So now that I created that other image, I should be able to click on it and swap it out. And that's what we're going to find out in a second here. What? Nope. Nope. That didn't work. That's not what I'm looking for. Create a sci-fi floating platform for my 2D platformer game. Last time when I did this a second ago, it literally created a space station, like a floating space station. What the fuck? Anyways, can you guys hear me okay? Good. This is kind of fun, but it's frustrating at the same time. Uh, um, hell, who knows, right? Whatever. Let's try that one. So let's do boom, and then I gotta get ready to push this button. How did I die? All right, replace. Got it. That one. Perfect. See, this time, because we didn't actually have a like a code generated object, we were able to click on it and we could swap it out. I'm curious about the trees though, because since the trees have to change shape, kind of curious about. I'm gonna have to just change the top of the tree, or maybe I don't know, maybe those trees are cool. I don't know. And I think this might be too detailed of a platform, but we'll see what it looks like. What do you guys think? Loading, loading. I complain about the short loading time, but there was a time when loading was so slow, you could get up and watch a movie and come back and it was still loading. I wish I was joking. What do you guys think of my thumbnail? I think it's cool. All right. That is not a space platform. Oh, it put it down there again. What the heck? Alright, then I'll have to do it this way. I'm going to go here. I'm going to look at the one that I used to replace the platform. This one. And I'm going to insert the prompt back here. Except this time I'm going to change this one to this one. I'm learning as we go here, so they literally gave almost no instructions on how this thing works, so I'm just pushing buttons and hoping things will be where they should be. The thing about app create or AI coders and developers is they don't necessarily follow the same path, because app developers have certain resources and tools that they need to have, but AI app developers are just like, figure it out. You know what I mean? No, that's not what I mean. Just as long as there's no errors, they're happy. But you know what I mean? But it's not always, it doesn't always make things functional. Let me put it that way. Whew. I don't know why I keep doing that. Da, 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 da. One minute. I want give me a prompt that will tell AI to make the trees and if that doesn't work, I'm asking it to give me another prompt that might help me create this. So if I don't want to do 16-bit. I'm going to try that one if this one doesn't, my own. Oh. All right, let's see if this worked. Well, it did work. There we go. There's our little platform. It's a little small, I think, but oh, and I crashed right into it. Let's try this again. Yeah, it's super tiny. That's not gonna work. Ta-da! But at least we know that the being able to swap images out work. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go back twice because I'm gonna remove both of the platforms. I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna also delete the platforms from here so it doesn't get confused. You see it has some errors. That's okay because it's just not there anymore. I don't want it to be 16-bit pixel. What I want to do is I'm going to say Nintendo switch art asset. All right, let's see if Gemini gave me the prompt I needed to give me the visualization that I need. The gameplay is fine. It's perfect for a mobile game. Matter of fact, it's even really good for a rage game. I took from Flappy Bird and I just added some new features to it to make it kind of refresh it. Not only that, with the new audiences nowadays, maybe maybe this generation doesn't even know who Flappy Bird is. I don't know. All right, let's try. This one. Okay. Test. All right. Just making sure everything's still working okay. It does seem like there's a latency of, I don't know. There's a good long latency in there, like a good minute. It says ultra low latency. I'm not entirely sure why. Hmm. Is that my headset telling me it's dying already? I've had this headset forever. I love this thing. It's not been updated. Network error. What the heck? Alright. Try to do it again. My speed sucks here. I really need to get like Starlink or something. I barely have enough to stream. It's crazy. Oh, it's not frozen, is it? Oh, okay. I think. my stream sucks that much. Oh, it's moving. Okay. Maybe I just need to move more so I can tell. Anyways, speed sucks. Definitely need to look into faster internet, maybe Starlink or something. I have T-Mobile 5G, but the signal's so bad out here. You know? Completing integration review. Hopefully that aids that. It's almost done. I had 5 viewers, and you know what? I love every 5 of you. Even if you only hung around for 2 minutes. It's cool. It's cool. Come on. I know the internet's slow, but you know, it's taking so long. I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna go make myself a smoothie in a second. Ah, finally. Jesus. Alright, let's see if that worked. We got our cute little cat with our little faces. We got some fire. Oh. Alright, it did make some new trees, but I think they look like male parts. I think they look like a penis and balls. I mean, yeah, I don't think that went well. I don't know, maybe I'll leave them like that. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think the platforms came out okay. I just think the trees are a little funky. Oh, missed it. Crap. Ah, missed it. Maybe I can fix the weird looking trees with like buildings or something. What do you think? Oh, crap. Ah, crap. Should there be like... Maybe there should be like rocket ships? Update the fart to rainbow colors. Hopefully just changing the color won't take a bajillion years. Oh, I have an idea for the trees. Just figured it out. Hold on 1 second. Test, test. Ah, it is a mute button. Didn't know that. All right, while it's doing this, I'm going to use the restroom. I'll be back. All right, since it's still loading, I'm gonna go make a smoothie. All right, I'm back. Okay, so for those of you that might be wondering what kind of smoothie I got, well, since I'm autistic and I can't make a decision, literally every fruit you can name is in this damn thing. That's good. I even put a little coffee in there for some caffeine. I don't remember what I did. Whoa, whatever I just asked for, it broke. What did I ask for? Oh, I asked for it to change. Whatever. I'm not going to work on that right now. What was it I needed to do? Actually, before I do that, I have an idea. Ah, I don't know if I typed that right. Who's talking to me? I think maybe I need to get another one of these double monitors for this one. The question is, where would I put it? I would need a bigger desk. I have no space. All right, let's see. The windows look more spacey. That's funny. That's a weird. Oh, it's a milk carton. Oh crap! Thought it was a spaceship. Um. Oh, I get it now. I see what happened. This is why there's flat tops. You did it good, but Easy come, easy go. Dun. Oh, that's loading. I wonder if I can play my own music on the stream or if that's going to cause an issue. Guess we're about to find out.
I am young, for my eyes are open, I see the world. I was promised being taken away from me. My prayers go unanswered, my soul is in pain. What will be left? Will my stake be in vain? I am told I will inherit the world, but what does that mean if the world is no more? Who is to blame for this? How do I fix this? Please tell me this is a nightmare, because I want to wake up. Welcome to our American dream.
I wrote this for one of my podcast guests.
Welcome to our American. I am young for my.
So that's cool. I can actually play my own stuff. Let's see.
The facts are diluted. The truth is illusion. Can't trust the TV. ICE is intruding. Fake conclusions. Violence and contusions. Black and blue bruising. Love and hate are both four-letter words. You can love and hate, but you can hate and love. They pretend they're doing for the man above as they push us down. The facts are diluted.
Anyways, I need to post those full songs one day. Is it done? It's done. All right, let's see what it looks like. Turn the milk cartons into like lunch bags, I guess. Oops. I don't know if I like those spaceships. Why does it keep making the spaceships look like penises? I don't know if I like those spaceships. Well, let's make some enemies. We'll get back to the spaceships. I don't know. Let's see what that does. There is somebody here. Nope. Nobody here. It's alright. It's alright. I'll talk to myself for a while. If that's what I gotta do. Talk to myself. I'll do it. Oops. about those rockets. I need to generate some better rockets. And I don't know if I like those new milk cartons either. They're too small. Hello, one viewer. You're just logging on. I am using YouTube's new beta player to build video games, or attempting to build video games. I did make one other game with it, and it came out okay. It was it was a little bit of a struggle, but it's getting there. Hopefully, we'll be adding some new features soon that are requested that'll make it a little bit simpler. But once these are created, these can be published directly onto the Playables platform, so anybody can play them. Matter of fact, if you look at mine and you go to the Playables, you can see there's a the game that I created from this is on here already. So yeah. Actually, while I'm waiting for that to load, let's see how it plays here. There we go. Let's start the mission. So basically, I took a Minesweeper, which hopefully everybody knows the mechanics to, and just kind of added a little bit of what do you call it? Added a little bit of action game. I don't know. Is it an action game? It's gotta be that one. Why is this going down? There we go. That's better. I don't know if you don't know the rules to Minesweeper. Basically, the numbers tell you how many of these squares are touching the bomb, so you have to guesstimate if there is a bomb there or not. If there is, then you put a flag. Now you don't have to, all you have to do is find all the bombs to beat the level. Oh my, there we go. And that's what happens if you find a bomb. To beat the game, but there are hidden things that you need to get a higher score. So if you're doing a speed run on here, oh my, something's gonna blow me up. So that means it's gotta be here, here, here. It's not here. It's not there, so it's gotta be there. That's a scary situation, huh? Oh! That blew it up again. You can die 3 times before you lose. And then there's a leaderboard as well. I'm hoping to make this into a speedrun type game someday. Hope somebody notices it's there. Crap. Also, you can find things to collect hidden in here. The reason there's nothing here is because this bomb already exploded. There's supposed to be a burn mark here. I thought I updated that, but I'm gonna fix that. It's supposed to be a burn mark once the bomb goes off. Anyways, there's also things that you can find that'll either give you points or kill you. Crap. Nope, it's not that one. It's gotta be. Nope, it's not that one either. Oh, it must be the one that exploded already. It's gotta be there. Oh, crap. Anyway, I died 3 times. Anyway, so this is a game that I made. I made with the AI last time, and you can actually see here the settings menu, everything I created, and then there's the leaderboard as well. This is not the most updated version because it's missing some things I just noticed. come back to that. Apparently, that is not the newest update. Alright, we should have enemies here now. Oh, there we go. Look at that. We got some enemies now. Floating eyeball. Oh! Spaceship. Gotta collect the milk. Oh, and I died. Oh! I think the glider is a little too aggressive on those rockets. Oh! I think I need to see what this looks like. Currently, when you're creating the thumbnails for this for playables, it won't allow you to give it any input. That's something I complained about already. Hopefully they'll allow us to do that soon. Oh, that reminds me, I gotta fix the... most uncomfortable chair ever. Any day now. There we go. What I'm doing now is I'm uploading the game so that I can actually test it in the testing in the developers testing portal, so I can see what it looks like on mobile games, for example, like this. It's just an arcade game. Shame, I guess. I guess I didn't download the photos. Generated, but where did it publish them at? actually kind of like this one a little bit better. That's the mistake I made. I didn't download them. Crap boss. Gassy cat. Alrighty then. Is that what we're calling it? Gassy cat. Whatever, it works. Frame rate sucks. Holy crap, look at all those drop frames. Must be some really jagged video. Come on. Save. Alright, so we're gonna create the release so I can do a test to see if the once it creates this release, then it'll give me a link so that I can actually go and try to and see what it'll play like on a mobile device. Oh, my back. There we go. So let's see if it looks like on mobile. Damn it. All right. So that's the. This must be the link. Okay. So this is where we need to make sure if it passes all the tests and everything, it would actually work if I published it. All right, so game ready is not being called fast enough. We'll work on that. That was not a collectible. Ah. Damn it. Oh, it's not a collectible. Anyways, so it seems to be working there. The only problem we have is this game ready called within 5 seconds. So what I do is I kind of cheat a little bit. I pull this out and then I put this back into the AI so the AI can fix it. So come here, I'm going to attach this pictures, screenshots. So it's easy as this to update the game. So you just download another version of it, you replace it, um, and then you're going to create a new release. And over here, it'll tell you which release number you have. So release 1, 2, 3, whatever. They're in sequential. And then once the new link is here, go ahead and test it again and see if it passes. Then I'll start working with the visuals. Not too bad though. I created this in a couple hours maybe. Alright, so I got a new link. Game ready is passed. Everything is passed now. The only thing I haven't done yet is the send score. And the cloud save, but that should be there. That should be green as soon as I as soon as I have a score. Let's see. Oh, I'm out of gas. I should be testing the thruster. Yep, it works. Oh, and I'm gonna die. Now, as soon as I save this, yep, so everything passed now. So this game technically is ready to go, even though the visuals are still working on it. But I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can't get it passed. So I'm gonna verify that everything is legit and I have all the stuff I need to have in there, and I'm gonna submit this for certification. Now it takes about 72 hours or something to get cleared, sometimes sooner. But while we're doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and make some changes on visuals. Actually, I'm gonna go back to my. I'm gonna go back and figure out how come the wrong version of current state is saved. It says it's saved. Why do you say it's not saved? Going back to my other game to see. I'm going to purposely get myself blown up because I want to see if this is. There's one over here. Ah, it's there. So it's weird. Then what I'm going to do is just download a new version of it. 19. I'm going to come here and I'm going to update the game here. Oh, that's why. It's a super old version of the game. Save draft. Save it again, and I'm going to create a new release. Verify that one. Let's see if this fixed the issues. purposely get myself blown up just so I can see if it worked. Yep, there we go. Now there's a little burn mark. That's what it should be. Okay, this one has the fixed movement too. Alright, so that one's working. Now there's a little burn mark left. That's the way it should have been. Alright. So for any of you that want to play that game, there's two different things you can do. One, you can go to my channel and which is theoddkid.com, and then you can go to playables, and then underneath playables you'll see my games. Now the other one hasn't been approved yet, that's why it's not there, Gassy Cat. But both of these games were created using AI completely. I think it's pretty awesome. Don't get me wrong, I know that Gassy Cat has some things I need to work out. I need to upgrade these graphics for sure. Oh, I also need to fix that. Fix the title in the... Let's see if that works. Wow, it's crazy how far behind the actual stream is. I mean, the stream is like a good, minute or 2 minutes behind. It's crazy. Maybe it's because the internet sucks. Who knows? Always waiting. If I actually had viewers that would know that I was using the restroom, I would care. But hey, now you got a toilet flush sound effect. Alright. Ow. Alright, let's see what that got us. See if we can't produce a little bit of music for the game. crazy slow. Oh, I'm out of gas. Crap. Ah, crap. A counter for aliens killed, and add this stat to the All right, let's hear what it sounds like.
In the quiet of the cosmos, something rumbles, something pops. One small kitty in a helmet breaks the boosters. Never.
let's see what AI did for a theme song.
Gassy cat, cat, tiny jetpack tail. Drapey, wide-eyed maniac on a cosmic trail. She spots a saucer lurking near the moon. They want to zap her, she's the rescue soon. Helmet crooked, paws on the glass. Gassy cat, cat. Tiny jetpack tail, stripey, wide-eyed maniac on a cosmic trail.
Yeah, I like this one. This is good.
She spots a saucer lurking near the moon. They want to zap her. She's the rescue cell. Helmet crooked, paws on the glass. One good squeeze and she's ready to blast. Gassy cat, cat, rocket from her ear. She's gone like that. Zooming through the stars, kaboom, take that. Saving every planet with a stinky attack. Gassy cat, cat, one little tune and she's back on track. Aliens run when they smell that blast. Here comes Gassy cat, cat. Wiggle in her belly, engines start to roar. Green guys gagging, drifting from the core. She loops, she flips, claws out midair. Leaves a glowing trail hanging everywhere. Who's that streaking through the black? Chasing slimy ships, back, back, back. One pup, two pups, whole fleet scatters. She giggles, sniggers, that's what matters. Gassy cat, cat, rocket from her rear. She's gone like that. Zooming through the stars, kaboom, take that. Saving every planet with a stinky attack. Gassy cat, cat, one little tune and she's back on track. Aliens run when they smell that blast. Here comes Gassy cat, cat. Gassy cat, cat. Gassy cat, cat. Gassy cat, cat. Gassy cat, cat, tiny jetpack tail. Drapey, wide-eyed maniac on a cosmic trail. She spots a saucer lurking near the moon. They want to zap her, she's the rescue soon. Helmet crooked, paws on the glass. One good squeeze and she's ready to blast. Gassy cat, cat, rocket from her rear. She's gone like that, zooming through the stars. Kaboom! Take that, saving every planet with a stinky attack. Gassy cat, cat, one little toot and she's back on track. Aliens run when they smell that blast. Here comes
Doug's doing beautiful. That's oh my god, that's great. All right, that
You don't have to beautiful. We're just what I'm beautiful. Oh, just what I'm beautiful. They call her speed racer cause the coppers always chases her. She's sweet like a treat, always upbeat, her feet. That's harder than it looks because the world holds her down. Pound for pound, she struggles to stay off the ground. Two beautiful kids give her superpowers to handle the worst beat down. Hiding behind the most beautiful eyes is an equally beautiful soul. But don't confuse the tears with fear. She is fearless, peerless, and delicious. Just ask the girls that love to chase her, baste her and taste her on her OnlyFans. Oh, can't help to love this girl. From a smile to an oversized heart, this dream girl is the light that encourages the sun to rise.
What did you stop for?
They call her speed racer cause the coppers always chase her. She's sweet like a treat, always a beat, a feat that's harder than it looks because the world holds her down. Pound for pound, she struggles to stay off the ground. Two beautiful kids give her superpowers to handle the worst beat down. Hiding behind the most beautiful eyes is an equally beautiful soul. But don't confuse the tears with fear. She is fearless, peerless, and delicious. Don't believe me, just ask the girls that love to chase her, baste her, and taste her on OnlyFans. Oh, can't help to love this girl. From her smile to her oversized heart, this dream girl is the light that encourages the sun to rise. They call her speed racer cause the coppers always chase her. She swear like a tree, always up. The facts are diluted, the truth is illusion. Can't trust the TV, ice is intruding.
Jesus, it's taking forever.
I've been around the world, dated all kinds of girls, but this one is different, fiery and smart, and like an assassin she stole my heart. It was innocent enough how she came into my life. Sweet tiny thing with a nose ring, gorgeous blue eyes on me. She ate her fries. If that wasn't enough, she turned around and my jaw hit the ground, girl. Got back and she stacked. This pretty French kitty is making me Brianna. Don't be shy, Brianna. Reach for the sky, Brianna. Don't make me DoorDash your ass to the podcast. Don't be shy, Brianna. YOLO to the unknown. Live past your fears and rise to new tiers. Do you want a career, or are you content staying right here? Is that what you want? Is that what you want? Is that what you want? If you don't want it, then fight. My name is On Kid. Use my strength to fight your fears. I know they're big, but if you can face it, your soul will live. Don't be shy, Brianna. Reach for the sky, Brianna. Don't make me DoorDash your ass to the podcast. Don't be shy, Brianna. So many people who don't know the difference. If you have talent, you should have a presence. Don't waste your gifts because of your nerves. You've got something important that the world deserves to hear. Get your voice heard, get your thoughts out. That's what you want, that's what you want, that's what you want. That's what you want, that's what you want, that's what you want. That's what you want, that's what you want, that's what you want. Don't be shy, Brianna. Reach for the sky, Brianna.
It's taking forever.
Dave ain't funny, but he thinks he is. Dave ain't funny, not one laugh or giggle. Crickets when he's on stage. 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 Dave ain't funny, but he thinks he is.
What the heck?
Dave ain't
Things taking
funny,
forever.
not one laugh or giggle. Crickets when he's on stage. 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 He ain't hot and he don't sizzle. Not one laugh or even a giggle. Crickets when he's on stage. Crickets when he's on stage. Crickets when he's on stage. Crickets when he's on stage.
I wrote that back when I was doing stand-up comedy. I'll get back to it eventually. This one. Hello.
Thoughts like fireworks can't slow down. Colors flashing around this town. Mind's a canvas painted bright.
These are all songs I created with AI.
Day and night.
I wrote most of them, actual the dialogue, but the music and the voice and everything was all done by AI. Pretty amazing system, I'll tell you.
Glass, grasping at a world so vast. You, the only focus true in this world of red and blue. All these
Finally.
faces blur
All right,
and fade,
let's
but
see.
you cut through.
Let's see if it worked. In theory, when we play this, we're going to hear the cat theme song. I don't hear any song. What's going on? Where's the song? Alright, I'm gonna need a little bit of help here from AI. I want to add this song to my gameplay in my game. This song. Give me a prompt that the AI will understand to add this song while playing the game. Also, ask it to add a button to mute the song if the player wants. All right, let's see if that one works. All right, I'm loving the song it created for the cat game. Is it this one?
Gassy cat, cat, tiny jetpack tail.
No, it's this one.
Gassy cat, cat,
I love this one.
tiny jetpack tail. Stripey, one-eyed maniac on a cosmic trail. She spots a saucer lurking near the moon. They want to zap her. She's the rescue cell. Helmet crooked, paws on the glass. One good squeeze and she's ready to blast. Gassy cat, cat, rocket from her ear. She's gone like that. Politicians lie and they fake the charm, try to tear us up cause making harm. Families split while they play their game, different flags but it's all the same. Red versus blue, it's a false divide. Don't let them tear us up, don't let love hide. We remember what the truth's about. United we're strong, let's shout it out. Civil war implied, but we know their tricks. Love and understanding they just can't fix. Differences we cherish, that's our strength. Together we rise at any length. Red versus blue, it's a false divide.
Let's see if it worked that time. Well, the mute button works, but the song is not working. Why is the song not working? I think it's funny that the mute button bounces with the character. Frustrating. AI speeds things up a little bit, but honestly, it's still kind of a pain in the butt. We're getting there, though.
Up, don't let love hide. We remember what the truth's about. United we're strong, let's shout it out. Oh, 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 oh. Let's shout it out. Oh, 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 oh.
I seriously can't get over how good the theme song turned out. If I can get it just to play inside the song, I mean play inside the game.
Strike me what I maniac on a cosmic trail. She spots a saucer lurking near the moon. They want to zap her. She's the rescue cell. Helmet crooked, paws on the glass. One good squeeze and she's ready to blast. Gassy cat cat, rocket from her ear. She's gone like that. Zooming through the stars, kaboom, take that. Saving every planet.
Tell me that's not pretty. That's pretty.
Gassy cat cat.
Who doesn't have a gassy cat cat?
Aliens run when they smell that blast. Here comes gassy cat cat.
I'll turn it out a little bit so you guys can hear me, I guess.
Wiggle in her belly, engines start to roar. Green guys gagging, drifting from the car. She loops, she flips, claws out midair, leaves a glowing trail hanging everywhere. Who's that streaking through the black? Chasing slimy ships, back, back, back. One puff, two puffs, whole fleet scatters. She giggles,
I might not be able to get this music to play. Maybe it's copyrighted or something. I don't know.
rocket from her rear, she's gone like that. Zooming through the stars, kaboom, take that. Saving every planet with a stinky
Crap.
Gassy cat, tiny jetpack tail. Drapey, wide-eyed maniac. On a cosmic trail. She spots a saucer lurking near the moon. They want to zap her, she's the rescue soon. Helmet crooked, paws
Just realized I need kind of a death animation.
and she's ready to blast. Gassy cat, rocket from her rear, she's gone like that. Zooming through the stars. Kaboom! Kick that, saving every planet with a stinky attack. Gassy cat, one little toot and she's back on track. Aliens
Just
run
what?
when they smell that
This song is great.
Here comes Gassy cat. Wiggle in her belly, engines start to roar. Green guys gagging, drifting from the core. She loops, she flips,
Let's see if it works this time.
leaves a glowing trail hanging everywhere. Who's that?
What the heck? What the heck? Oh, that's so funny. All right, let's try this again. What the? Let's try this again. Alright guys, this has been fun, but unfortunately my headset is dying. I'll try to finish the game today, and I'll try to get it approved. It might be up tomorrow or the next day for you guys to play, and then we'll make another one. So thanks for the whole 9 people that showed up. It was really fun, and thanks for putting up with me. Take care.